This is the solution video for section 3.6, problem number 6. All right, so it says for 5 through 7, find f inverse prime of 2. All right, so f of x is uh, 2 tangent of x, and x is between negative pi over 2 and positive pi over 2. All right, so if I want to find f inverse prime of 2, all right, I'm always going to set up this picture that looks like this. And remember, we talked about it doesn't matter if it's the exact picture of the graph. This is just kind of to organize our thoughts. All right, so if we call this f and we call this f inverse, all right, we want to label this point on f and label this point on f inverse. All right, so if I want f inverse prime of 2, that means that 2 is the x value on f inverse, which means 2 is the y value on f. All right. And so if I know the y value on f, then I can set f equal to that y value. So 2 equals 2 tangent of x in order to find the value of x that would make this true. All right, and so now this one is easy to solve algebraically. So we divide by 2, we get 1 equals tangent x. And so now we're asking for what value of x, or for what angle is the tangent equal to 1. And so that would mean that x is pi over 4. Right? And so pi over 4 is the x value on f, which means it is the y value on f inverse. All right, and so now we know that f inverse prime of 2 is the reciprocal of f prime of pi over 4. Remember, you have to use the x value on f that corresponds with the x value on f inverse. All right, and so that means I need to find f prime of 4. All right, so first of all, I find f prime of x. All right, so derivative of 2 tangent x. So it would be 2 times the derivative of tangent, which is secant squared of x. And so I want to find f prime of pi over 4. All right, and so I get 2 times the secant squared of pi over 4. All right, so what is the secant of pi over 4? Remember, secant is the reciprocal of cosine. The cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2, so this would be 2 over root 2. All right, and so of course, if I square this, I get 4 over 2, and so that reduces to 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. And so f prime of pi over 4 is 4. Therefore, f inverse prime of 2 would be 1 over 4. And so 1/4 is our answer.